Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. Stay tuned for a Grove order that I have gotten and for an unboxing. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've been doing any videos and I do apologize for that. I've been kind of MIA, I guess you could say, for a while, and it's just been hard for me to get some videos up and out for y'all lately. And but I thought I would share my Grove order that I desperately was needing, and I've got it sitting down. I can't get it on the table, it's too big and heavy, so I'm going to pull out everything and show you what I've got. I got a lot of free items actually in here that I wanted to share with you. This is cute. I got this bamboo prep board, and this was a free item. This was actually a birthday item that they sent me for free, and it's a bamboo prep board, and it's been sitting in my cart since August of my birthday. And it is, like I said, it's made of bamboo. Isn't it pretty? So I have been waiting to get this, and it has Grove Collaborative down here in the corner, and they have these that you can purchase. But I was so excited to be able to get one of these free from them for my birthday. So thank you to Grove for this. I kept wondering if I was still going to be able to get it, you know, for sitting there so long. I was so blessed that I was still able to get it. And I missed out on some free items, but because they were no longer available, and there were still quite a bit of free items I was still able to get. Some things were on sale, like this, I believe, was on sale. The Method and Back All-Purpose Cleaner Wildflower. This smells really good. It cuts grease and grime, and it kills 99.9% of household germs. I love the smell of this. And I'm not a big fan of the Method product, but this one I do like. And as a lot of y'all may know, if you followed me, you know I do make a lot of my own cleaners. But I like certain things from Grove. I love the Mrs. Meyer's, so I try to get that, but it can be pricey if you're getting it a lot. So that's why I ended up starting making my own cleaners and all. And but I'll check, and if I can afford it. Mrs. Meyer's goes on sale quite often, so I try to get it when I can. But I check and see what they have. Why is there a little gnat flying around? That's unusual, and it's cold. But they did have this one, and I like this scent, so I went ahead and got this one. That is my clock that you hear in the background. And now I've tried several laundry detergents, and I'm gonna tell you, this is the only laundry detergent I really prefer. I have such sensitive skin, and I only like the smell. I'm funny about scents. I only like the Mrs. Meyer's lavender scent and the fabric softener. And apparently a lot of people do. That little gnat is driving me nuts. Apparently a lot of people do, because they're always out of this and the fabric softener. So a week before we put in this order, now my husband was the one that put in the order. He says, "Do you have your Grove order ready?" I said, "Yes, everything's ready to go." And then he waited a week and put in the order, and of course, wouldn't you know it, there were certain things that they were out of stock on, and that was in my cart, and fabric softener was one of them. So that's why I missed out on some of the free items that were in my cart, and the fabric softener definitely was something I needed, and I will not just take any fabric softener anymore because I am totally hooked on the Mrs. Meyer's lavender fabric softener. Like I said, I've tried others and I'm not happy with them. So here we go. Look at the little bucket of goodies here. Now, this was a free item, this little bucket. I've gotten one of these free before, but it was a white one. And this is really pretty. This, if you call this gray, like a light gray, isn't it pretty? So I love this color. And since we moved, I have no idea where even my white one is. And I love the white one too. This is like a matte gray. The white one is like a shiny white, I think. But I love these buckets. You can use them for putting your, as a caddy to put your cleaners in, or a decor item or whatever. So it looks like it got bent a little bit or something. Let's see, this is the oatmeal or oat milk rejuvenating body wash, and I have tried this before. It smells nice. I don't know if I could smell it through there. I have gotten this one time before, and it's, yeah, for dry skin and all. This is noted with notes of almond, vanilla, blossom, and sandalwood. So I don't know if this is the same scent I got before or not. Now, I don't know if I actually put this in my cart or they did. I think I had it in my cart and then took it out, and then they may have stuck it back in there. You have to kind of watch on that, because I had it in my favorites. And anything in your favorites, sometimes they may put some things in your cart, so you want to watch that before you actually check out. You didn't know that, but that's okay. I still needed it. I love their toothbrushes. Now, I've tried other toothbrushes. Last time I got a white one. I've been needing a toothbrush, I won't tell y'all for how long, but if you could see, I'll go ahead and open it. I know you think, oh, toothbrush is a toothbrush, but no, I've tried others. And they always cause my gums and everything to bleed, and I have TMJ really bad. My mouth is shaped funny. These bristles are very soft. You can see the angle of the toothbrush, and it's just shaped. And these are, they've made these, see it says 100% recycled handle, and I found out they actually made these out of yogurt cups, which is pretty neat. But the handle feels very nice. I love the angle of it. Love the shape of the bristles and everything, and I can really get in there and clean my teeth real well. With other toothbrushes, I have not been able to do that. So I love these toothbrushes. You never know what, you can't pick your color. They'll just send you whatever, which is fine. I'm not picky about my color. So that is fine. Did like the white one. Green is fine too. So yes, I like these little toothbrushes. They have them in children's as well. And let's see, we got MultiPurpose Cleaner. And they sent me orange and rosemary. I would have preferred one of the other scents. I think they had like a pine or something, but I did not actually choose this. But that's okay. The orange and rosemary I might like. You know, I can't even hardly smell it, to be honest. I don't smell a thing. Wow. That has no scent. Huh. Yeah, I think I would have enjoyed, like, I think they had like a pine, some kind of a pine scent. Wasn't really called pine, but it was more like a pine scent. I think I would have liked that better. So I don't know if anyone really likes these or not, because I don't smell them. I don't smell either one of them really. But I've never tried these before. So, but there's those, and all you have to do is just pour them into a bottle and add some, I think, water to them. See, to mix, fill reusable cleaning bottle with water, leaving room for, let's see, okay, wait a minute. Empty 1 cleaning concentrate into bottle, replace nozzle, gently shake to mix. So yeah, that's all you have to do. But I can't even smell that, so that's unusual. And I smell things very easily. I have a easy, what do you call it? I can smell things very easily. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, this is some vanilla, brown sugar, and sandalwood. Oh, that smells really good. That really smells good. I can really smell I don't smell so much the sandalwood in it, but I really smell that vanilla and brown sugar in that. Yeah, I can really smell the vanilla and brown sugar in that. And then this was a free item, Inner Strength Marine Collagen, supports smooth, firm, vibrant skin and healthy hair. So I'm anxious to give that a try. And here is another free item. Some laundry, the Grove laundry detergent, lavender and rosemary. So I'm excited to try that. Removes stains as well as leading natural detergent. Sorry, I need glasses. So that was everything in there. I think that's it. I'm not sure. There's nothing else in here. They wrap everything so nicely in this brown paper, which I always keep in my bathroom. And these are recyclable. Everything's recyclable. So yep, that's it. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. And if y'all like this, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Please share. And if you're new subscriber, I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel and, you know, comment down below. Tell me hello, whether you're a new subscriber or, you know, you've been subscribed for a while, and just say hello. And let me know if you've ever heard of Grove, if you've ever tried Grove before. I do believe I have a link that I can put down in the description box for you, and I'll try to also put it in my comments for you as well. I have to go find it, but yeah, I'm supposed to have a link to where I can share it with you, so that if you would like to get started, with Grove, and so that you can get a discount and I think a free caddy, or they give a free gift. I'm not sure what the free gift is right now, but I think it's like a free caddy with some free cleaners or something. I'm not sure what it is, but you can check it out. But yeah, I'll try and find that link so that I can share that with you. But like I said, I'm sorry, I've just been kind of really out of it lately. As you know, my health is not real well, and I've had a downfall with that lately. So that's really just kind of taken me over lately. So I've really been kind of stuck in bed for 2 weeks, and you know, which with it being around the holidays and everything, it's put me into, I guess you could say, like a depression, not being able to do anything like I really want to do. And then I still living here and trying to get things situated where we live in, and still trying to unpack and organize. And we haven't decorated for Christmas or anything, and that's just, you know, it's just been hard on me. This will be like the 3rd year for me that I have not gotten to decorate for Christmas, and it's just gotten real overwhelming, I guess you could say, for me. And I'm not used to that, and I have dealt with it for 3 years. So I don't know how to deal with it. I did a little bit of decorating, I think 2 years ago, but not very much. I don't think, because I was so sick about 2 years ago. Last year we were having to stay at my brother-in-law's. So, you know, and I was so thankful that we at least had a place this year, even though it was a tiny place. And I thought we would be more organized and set up to where I could decorate this year, at least put the tree up. And I haven't gotten a place to actually, I knew where I wanted to put the tree, but it's just so, if I showed you, you just, I'm embarrassed to even, anybody to even see. It's just unreal. So that's where I've been. And just me trying to get things done, it's just been really hard. But I just want to thank everyone who is supporting me and following me and hanging in there with me, and for all your prayers and your comments and your love and support. And thank you so much, and God bless you all. And I hope I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching, and God bless.